Pounding away on Micah.
And I think one or two big punches, and Willis was right there, and just right on the
action. Steve Willis. Here is the hard-hitting, world-ranked, undefeated Duke Micah Casimero.
Supporting his fellow countrymen.
Nice.
Right your head. Right your head.
Left hook.
These types of fights, championship bouts, rhythm. Whereas Micah, because a guy like Casimero, seasoned veteran, a champion, like you said, in 3
Duke Micah. Overhand right by Micah.
Dodges in and out.
A whole lot of punches. He's a world champion, 3 to Jack 3. He continues to move up the stands. Left hook to the body.
A guy like Micah, yes, he's under all pressure in his spin. Because of COVID, you see a big one with Inoue, and then that falls through. You can't overlook.
Well, he had a jab and he threw that right hand over it, but by Duke Micah, that's never.
Have to be careful with a guy like that.
The body backing up. Casimero.
Don't let him throw stupid punches and come over the top.
For 13 years, forward is Duke Micah, answering back though is Casimero.
And Micah his own, and he probably had the best jab, set it up with the overhand right. That really like what you've seen going toe-to-toe so far with the champ.
Casimero willing to fight on the inside. Casimero was favored.
Back, and it's making him think twice when he's coming in.
Nice left hook followed by
7, 8. You all right?
and now Casimero looking for the finish.
Tie up Casimero and just survive.
Micah's still hurt.
Yeah, Micah is
So Micah. Back comes Casimero.
so off right now.
Gave a long look at the Ghanaian, a right to the Casimero, picking up the pace again. Teeing off a shot. What a turnaround. Pounding away on Micah. Micah sticks his tongue out.
Right here, you see, I don't even think Micah saw this knockdown. That little left short, quick left hook. And
From the doctor's standpoint,
you can see Micah still off balance right now.
he's backing away as Micah circuits you, so it takes a little bit of a reaction.
He's just loading up on all of his punches.
Casimero has his legs totally underneath him. A left to the body, followed by a right wing. One arm push-ups, wants to get more of a workout.
And I think one or two big punches, and Willis was right there, and just right on the chin, man.
And the winner by way of technical knockout, John Riel Casimero.
And I think one or two big punches, and Willis was right there, and just right on the And I think one or two big punches, and Willis was right there, and just right on the